Liza, and welcome back to my channel. As a full-time yoga teacher in New York City, I'm consistently surrounded by people in yoga classrooms, on public transportation. So I wanted to share a few essential oils and my favorite home remedy tea for colds and viruses. This is also great for immune system if you want to prevent colds and flus and viruses. So just to be aware, some of these essential oils are not always pet safe and they may cause irritation on the skin. You may be allergic to them. So always do a patch test. Always be mindful of pets around. Let's go ahead and dive on in. Let's begin with essential oils that help colds. So eucalyptus is definitely known to help clear coughs. It's definitely great for the upper respiratory tract and helps with nasal congestion. And I love sometimes if I'm feeling a little bit congested, breathing in eucalyptus or putting it in a diffuser. Peppermint is very similar to eucalyptus. In a way, it also really helps open up, but it's a little bit more irritating than eucalyptus. And if you want a gentler option, you can always go with lavender. Lavender is a great antihistamine. I mean, I'll talk about lavender more throughout the video, but it's one of my favorite essential oils. It probably definitely is my favorite essential oil. It's something that I love to use for headaches. I love to use it for nasal congestion, any sort of inflammation whatsoever. Now let's move on to the essential oils that I use for defense. So cinnamon and clove are amazing antibacterial essential oils. Pine can be used on many surfaces as a safe cleaning option. And everyone knows tea tree. Tea tree is so good. It's so amazing. And it's just one of those go-to antibacterial essential oils. And last but not least, lemon, a great cleaning product, a great antibacterial. And my favorite blend is called Germ Fighter by Plant Therapy. A lot of the things that I'm showing today as individual oils, this baby has it. You can make your own spray bottle with these oils, and then you could just add water with the essential oils, spray it on your hands. And the main way I use these essential oils is by breathing them in. So I'll add a carrier oil like rose or jojoba or coconut oil, and then I'll just add a drop of a blend or a specific essential oil depending on my mood or what I feel I need. And then I'll rub my hands together, and then I'll just cup my hands over my face and I'll just breathe in the essential oils. Let's move on to the herbs we'll be using in our tea. So oregano is a great antibiotic. It's almost nature's antibiotic. And then we have this rich red herb, which is called rubus. It's a South African herb and it's filled with antioxidants. And then we have catnip. For humans, it has this reaction where it actually helps calm our nerves and puts us to sleep. I call this herb form of NyQuil. And when I have a cold, this is what I want to be drinking. And lavender. Like I said, lavender is a great antihistamine. And again, it just helps me sleep. So this is meant to help me sleep because rest is a great part of helping out the immune system, but also sometimes when we have a cold, we have a hard time sleeping, so this should definitely aid in that. So now we'll go ahead and add the herbs to my tea, and I'm going to do this process a little bit weird. I know you're supposed to boil the water and then add the herbs, but I'm gonna mix this up. And if you want, you can go ahead and add a pinch of oregano, just a pinch. If you think it's too much, it probably is. Just because oregano, just like regular antibiotics, it tends to upset the stomach. I'm gonna go ahead and add the water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on that stove and let the water boil. I know it's a little bit backwards, but call me a rebel. Once the tea is all ready, you can go ahead and pour it in. And it just is this beautiful, rich, reddish color from the rubus, and it will definitely help you sleep. It will help you breathe a little bit easier. If you want, you can go ahead and add oil of oregano if you have it, and if you didn't add the dried oregano leaves. And for that oil of oregano, again, a little goes a long way, just a pinch. And you just want to stir and stir and stir and do your best to dilute that oil. You can even add a drop to your whole pot and it would be more than enough. Go ahead and add some honey, which is a great sweetener because that oil is going to be a little bit intense. And honey is also a natural antibacterial. It's great for colds. It soothes the throat if you have a sore throat. And it makes things taste a lot better. This tea is strong. My boyfriend says all the time, he's like, this tea is so strong. It's so painful. It's like liquid medicine. And he's absolutely right. It's earth medicine and it's just very, very good. And then your tea is all ready to drink. You can just enjoy, relax. Let the properties of the tea soothe you into a state of deep relaxation. Take a nap. Take a cat nap. Let go. And rest. Remember, the body recuperates and rebuilds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, or comment with any questions or anything else you want to add. What are some of your favorite essential oils or tea blends that you like to drink or use to help boost the immune system or help with colds? Let me know in the comments below. Have an amazing rest of your day. Be well. Namaste.